Hi, boys and girls. We're going to be reading our Decodable Reader. This is Unit 3, and we're doing Lesson 14. So let's see what the first story of the week is in Lesson 14. Okay, it's called Tate's Cakes, and it's on page 75. So let's move out to 75. hmm So there, I have looked at the words in here, and I found some for us to sound out. And a reminder that A makes its long sound, its name, whenever there's an E near it. So in this case, in all these cases, there's an A, another letter, and an E. An A, another letter, and an E. An A, another letter, and an E. The A is going to say A, A, A. It's not going to say its short sound, ah, ah. It's going to say A. So let's start with sounding them out from left to right. Keep your motors running all the way to the end of the word. Remember that this E that makes this one have the power to say its name, he's silent. He says nothing. He just does his job and he's quiet. Remember, he's also a bully. Bullies don't want other people to know that they're saying, tell me your name. Like that. So let's go ahead and sound them out. Tate. Starts with a capital letter. It must be someone's name. Wade. Tate and Wade are two of the characters in this story. Let's do this next one. Jade. Wade, Jade. They rhyme. Maid. It's the same about all these three words is that they all end with A-D-E, and A-D-E spells aid. Wade, Jade, maid. You'll know how to read those three now. Wade, Jade, and maid. Okay, last three. Aim, came. Aches, cakes. We had to skip over that one because remember it's silent after it makes us one say its name. So we had to go cake, skip over that one, cakes. And finally, ate. Okay, they were also on the last page of this selection. Three of our sight words. So let's read them. Let's read. Four, the number 4. Five. This one says over. There's that evil E making the O say its name, O. The evil E making the I say its name, I. So this is over. Did you hear the O in it? And this is 5. Did you hear the I? The long I sound? Okay, 4, 5, and over. Okay, that's it. Now we're just going to practice reading it. Be on the lookout for the E's that make the vowels say their names. So I will read it to you. Tate's cakes. Maybe I'll make this a little bit higher. Maybe. So I wonder if this is Tate. Looks like this is Tate because it says Tate had never made a cake, and I'm thinking about, he's thinking about the cake. This is a tortoise. Turtles can live in water, but tortoises, they can't. If you put them in water, they'll drown. Anyway, it says Tate had never made a cake. Tate did Tate did know that cakes must bake. Can Tate make cakes? So, have you guys ever made a cake before? Do you know that they have to bake? Do you think you can make cakes? Well, let's see what happens. It looks like this story is taken out in the desert. It's taking place out in the desert. Oh my goodness, the sun looks super hot in this picture, doesn't it? I like how they made that little swirl in the middle of their sun and made the different stripes. Like one color was yellow, one color was yellow orange, yellow, yellow orange. It's a nice little pattern. Anyway, this sand is hot, hot, hot. Cakes can bake in it. What goes into cakes? If Wade has made cakes, Wade will tell me, said Tate. So imagine, now obviously this is a fantasy because I don't think tortoises go around talking to themselves about cakes. But, you know, in the real world, tortoises don't have internet. They can't read and find out the ingredients in recipe books. So he has to go ask a friend. It looks like it's going to be this friend, and his name was what? Wade. Well, I never made a cake, said Wade. Let's ask Jade. If Jade has made cakes, Jade will tell us. Yes, said Tate. Let's ask Jade. And can you see who I'm pointing at up there? Is that one of those road runners? Might be. His name is Wade. Remember that for when you're reading it by yourself. Okay, we're on this page now. Look at that goofy looking bird. Okay, I'm going to have to go like this so you can see the words. Remember his face. It says, Wade and Tate went to Jade's big cave. Jade was in. I am glad you came, said Jade. I just made 10 cakes. Oh my goodness. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So they were going to go ask him if he knew how to make cakes, and he had just finished making 10 of them. He's an expert. This cake is on sale, that cake is on sale, and that cake is on sale. The big cakes are all on sale, Jade said. I just made them. That must be one of the big cakes. That's one of the big cakes. I would consider these big, these three-tiered ones. Wade got 4 cakes. 1, 2, 3, 4. Tate got 5 cakes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Jade's bake sale was over. Because look at, he has 1 cake for him, and then plus 4. 1 plus 4 is 5. Plus 5 more is 10, and that's all the cakes he made. Tate and Wade ate Jade's cakes. Tate and Wade never did make cakes. They ate Jade's. Yeah, if you have money, you don't have to make your cakes. You can just pay for them. Okay, now this time I'm going to whisper read while you read along with me. Okay? So are you ready? Ready? I'm whispering and you're reading. Tate's cakes. Did you have your fingers underneath the words? Okay, it's time for you to put your fingers underneath the words. You can't learn to read if you don't practice, so it's practice time. Tate had never made a cake. Tate did know that cakes must bake. Can Tate make cakes? This sand is hot, hot, hot. Cakes can bake in it. What goes into cakes. If Wade has made cakes, Wade will tell me, said Tate. Well, I never made a cake, said Wade. Let's ask Jade. If Jade has made cakes, Jade will tell us. Yes, said Tate. Let's ask Jade. There's Jade. Wade and Tate went to Jade's big cave. Jade was in. I am glad you came, said Jade. I just made 10 cakes. This cake is on sale. That cake is on sale. And that cake is on sale. The big cakes are all on sale, Jade said. I just made them. Okay, are you reading along? Your fingers underneath the words? Sounds are coming out of your throat? Okay, so here they are, taken off with their boxes full of cakes, so they don't have to figure out how to make them. Wade got 4 cakes. Tate got 5 cakes. Jade's bake sale was over. Tate and Wade ate Jade's cakes. Tate and Wade never did make cakes. They ate Jade's. All right, boys and girls, I hope you enjoyed that. I did. Bye-bye.